Hey guys, it's been a while since I've filmed at night, but we're gonna do a nighttime skincare routine. Hopefully the lights are bright enough so you're able to see. I'm gonna go ahead and start with removing my makeup because I do have a little bit of eyeliner and mascara on, so I'll take that off, show you what I use for that. So if you guys saw the organization video I did for my skincare cupboard, you know I've got a lot of products. I go through a lot of skincare. I like to test out new products all the time. Companies sometimes send products to try out, and I usually only share the ones that are like my absolute favorites with you guys. Okay, so I recently found some absolute gems of skincare. Okay, they're vegan, cruelty-free, plant-based. They have a lot of naturally derived ingredients, and they are the BioClarity products. So these are the ones I showed you in that video too. So we're gonna be using these because I've been using these every morning and night for the past 2 weeks. So we're gonna get to those products in a minute, but I'm doing my full routine with you guys. So I'm gonna show you what I use to remove my eye makeup and everything like that. Just know as we're going along that BioClarity did send those and they are sponsoring this video. But as soon as I finish them, I'm purchasing them myself because I'm like, after 2 weeks of using them, I can't believe how clean my pores are. And I use a lot of skincare products, you guys, but that is like, those are something else. Let me just tell you. So I first heard about them actually from Wife Life. Do you guys know her? She's a vegan. She's got like tattoos. She's so cool. Anyway, I love her, and Rihanna is her name. And yeah, she's the first one that I saw using that, and I was like, oh, it kind of like perked up, like, oh, I should try that, because she always like finds super good stuff. So, all right, let me go ahead and get my oil here. Let me get a cotton pad. Okay, so I just have a cotton pad and I'm taking a pump of my coconut oil. This is fractionated coconut oil. Any brand will do. It's just the kind of coconut oil that stays liquid. And so I will just take a little pump either on my fingers. Sometimes I don't even use a cotton pad. You know, if I have a lot of eye makeup on though, I will, because it just helps like remove it from your eye, right? And since I'm not wearing a lot of eyeshadow or anything, there's not a whole lot to even remove, which I've actually really been enjoying not wearing eyeshadow. I will say though, I do have what am I trying to say? Yeah, foundation on my eye. I use that just to kind of even out the tone. So sometimes I will still use eye primer and then I just dust over a little bit of foundation, but I'm actually not wearing foundation on the rest of my face, which is funny. I just use it on my eye. So, oh my gosh, that's like a new product. They could come out with just eye foundation. Shoot, we should totally do that, you guys. That's like a new angle of a beauty product, huh? You know what else is awesome about using coconut oil to remove your makeup is it's naturally conditioning for your lashes and it helps them grow. All right, so first step is the BioClarity cleanser. Oh, you know what? Let me wet my face first. Oh, something I forgot to mention is normally I would be doing this step in the shower. But since I'm filming, that would be awkward, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cleanse like this. This also takes off any leftover makeup residue pretty easily too. So this cleanser is infused with cucumber extract and also chamomile and green tea, which green tea is awesome for your skin, whether you're drinking it or using it as a toner or a skincare. It is so good for your skin. I need to start drinking more green tea. I'm trying to get back in the habit. I think I mentioned that in a blog already, huh? But yeah, it's definitely on my list. Drinking more water and drinking more green tea. Okay, so the next product is step 2, which is the 2% salicylic acid. Also contains oat kernel extract. So you only put this over the affected areas. So any breakouts that you have currently going on. So that's what's really nice about this stuff, is it helps heal your breakouts without causing any more dryness or irritation. Very good for sensitive skin. I believe it's for all skin types. So whether you have oily skin, because they're very lightweight, or if you have dry skin, it doesn't over dry your skin. It might dry a little bit in the beginning. Like the first couple days I was using it, I could tell that it was different than the previous skincare that I was using. But it definitely like balanced out like after I'd say about the 4th day. I'm just taking a little more of that step 2. I'm gonna add that to my forehead now that I'm talking about that, because yeah, I really liked how that was working out up there, even though I don't particularly have an actual breakout going on. Wherever you have those tiny bumps, try it. It might be able to clear them up for you. So just around there. I should probably mention where I usually will not put this, and that's right around the nostril area, because that normally gets dry pretty quickly on its own, so I usually avoid that area. And step number 3, which is possibly my favorite of all the products, but they all got to go together because they all work in unison with each other, right? But the Floralux, it contains chlorophyll, so when it comes out it's green and you're gonna be like, what the heck? So okay, ready for this? So it contains chlorophyll. What's awesome about it though is that it heals wounds, which is something that I think I'm experiencing down here on my breakout that usually lasted a lot longer. My old gluten breakout, yeah, it seems to be healing unusually fast, and I think it's because of this product here, which is awesome because normally those last for like a couple months. They're so bad. So it also detoxifies. It has anti-aging vitamins and antioxidants. So that one, I'm gonna be blowing through that pretty quickly, I think. So I'm gonna have to order that again soon. Well, you order the set because that's how they sell it right now. And you can order the set for $29.95, and you can, I think, get a subscription to it, so you just get it every month. They also have a coupon code, so if you want to save, it's 50% off on your first month. So instead of $29.95, that would be cut in half for you guys. But yeah, if you do have problem with skin and you're looking for something to really purge your pores and keep them clean, and start removing, you know, those tiny bumps in texture, I think these are definitely winners. If you tend to have really dry skin, or you're thinking that you need more moisture than what the Restore step number 3 will give you, then you can always include the skin smoothie to your regimen. So this is like the 4th step. This is like an extra moisturizer that you put over the top after you finish those, right? You can see the green in there too. By the way, it's fragrance free too, but it's fragrance free as in there's no added fragrance to it. But it actually smells really fresh. Anyway, so it's got like a little bit of greenness to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little of that on. Oh, I should also mention that that 50% off, it goes for just that step, that 3-step set. So it doesn't, the skin smoothie is separate, sold separately. Should we end this video now, or should I take you out for mochi? Like pink mochi ice cream? Do you guys wanna do that? It's not technically part of my nightly skincare routine, but I mean, I was just thinking about it in the freezer right now, and I thought, oh, that would be really good. Let's go sit in front of the fireplace and go eat pink mochi balls, shall we? Okay, I think we gotta do that. Okay, you guys, before we head out to mochi, if you do want to try out the BioClarity, I will post that coupon link in the down bar, so just click on the show more. The link will be there. All the information of all the products, it'll be down there. And if any of you guys have tried out BioClarity, leave a comment below so we can all read through and see what your experience was too, because I'm really curious how this is working for other people too. Or if you do decide to try it out and you haven't yet, let me know, like come back to this video and leave a comment and let me know what you think of it and if it worked out for you or not. So, all right, let's go out and have some pink mochi ball ice cream in front of the fireplace and like go meditate or something. All right, I'm gonna take you guys out right now. Here's the pink mochi ice cream. I got this at Trader Joe's. Michael's gonna have some too. It's the coldest day of the year.
Yeah, 45.
Which is why I'm in my hat. Am I gonna be able to pop this out though?
Try.
I'm gonna get ice all over. They're kind of like, it comes like that. Can you see that? It's like almost like little ice cube tray, but they don't pop out.
Oh, these are from...
They're really difficult to get out. They're like from Thailand, I think.
Thailand, right?
If you could pop from the underneath and press it out, that would be a better idea. But the plastic is like really hard to press. Oh wait, I got one.
You got one?
One.
Try
Okay. There we go. It's like a little pink bonbon.
Will this thing work? No, it's too steep of an angle.
Try your method. So if you happen to be at Trader Joe's and you see the mochi ice dessert, strawberry mochi balls, definitely give them a try. Yeah, these probably aren't good for your skin, but they're made with coconut milk though. They are really good. Mochi ice cream on the coldest day of the year.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna get on here. Insight Timer is the app that I use for meditation. I love it. and I'm just gonna do like a little 10-minute meditation. Okay, so I'm gonna do my meditation. I will let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you want to check out BioClarity, I will have the link in the down bar. So if you want to save 50% on your first month subscription, I'll have that link down below. I'm gonna be buying it too. So, all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye, guys.